Last year, RCTV's Vida Season 1 mesmerized you with Cebu's beauty queens who showed you what Cebu has to offer.
Women of all ages got to experience glamour and fun wrapped in one lifestyle show. And we're happy to tell you the fun is not over.
That's right, because real women like us deserve to grow with our experiences and learn new things.
Journey with us as we broaden our horizons.
Share stories ranging from fashion, food and wellness, travel and architecture.
Women of Cebu, are you ready?
This is Mary, your fashion designer.
I'm Hazel, your full-fledged supermom.
And I'm Katsy, your on-the-go style sidekick.
This is Vida.
Today, we will give you a glimpse of who we are and what we do as modern-day women. And I'm just so excited to introduce to you one of my co-hosts. Our first segment is about Mary T, a fashion designer by heart and a woman born and bred to rule the world through her charm, her sense of humor, and style. Join me as we discover the world of Mary.
I am Mary. Growing up, I've always been a fan of like everything and anything colorful. I remember when I was in kindergarten and my favorite subject was art and math. Yun, basta. We're trying. 5. At 1. Gawa sa 5. You know, when I design my inspiration, I don't look at magazines. I don't watch mga fashion shows on TV. I know my husband is one of the greatest. He's one of the people who inspire me when I make something. Cause like I said, I don't watch mga fashion shows on TV or like mga. I don't read fashion magazines. Like sometimes I do, but I just browse through it. I don't really like look at the trends because I want to make something different. I always say, it's cliche, but I want something different, and I want people to remember that's very Mary right there. So if I have client like for this, kanang dili man ni siya for here, mag-communicate og gihapon me through Skype. So I even had one bride who arrived from LA 4 days before her wedding. So kibaw mo ko nga 4 days before sa maabot, ang design po sa iyang wedding gown was kana lang kung dili so di-adjust. So that's how I deal with clients who are abroad. Actually, ako mother and daughter dresses and mother and son dresses. Like ako nang ipada Australia, then ako napada outside the Philippines nga and na po sa States. Dili man siya like, you know, if you're watching and you have friends abroad who might want to, you know, who might want a mother and daughter dress or a cocktail dress to be made, it's not hard because, you know, you message me on Facebook and then we can Skype or whatever, and then you send me what you want and you send me, basta it's not, it's really, with the technology now, it's not hard if you live like across the globe. Oh, if you want to order like these drawings, I'm sending these to, well, it's just in Asia, but you know, it's not hard to send them, especially now you can send them and maabot siya the next day. So when I look for inspiration, it depends. When I feel good and when I, like, you know, how I feel is usually what I put into my, for example, kanang I go to the beach, I look at the shells, I look at the clouds, then I feel kanang like running around or just, you know, free. So I come up with dresses that are, you know, I want the person wearing my dresses to feel like how I feel when I was there. So I make jersey dresses because those are very comfortable, and then yung silhouette. Talaga naman, oo. Ang lamig dito pakitingin sa langit yung aircon. So the dresses that I design, it's basically, you know, something you can, kanang pwede ka mo spligid, pwede ka mo split daligid ba? Kanang free kanang anak yun. That's how I come up with my designs, really. And of course the circle, which my husband likes to call the calamari. Iyan mo siya palit og Bisaya nga magazine kay sinikihil ang cover. Kay ang angke, bago naman nagamit sinikihil sa akong dress.
Sa Facebook doon.
Ang kang Tony po, para man sa mundo man ay magunaw. Wala lang po dito. Ang kang Tony, ha? Mauna ang teleserye. Muli kang Tony and Sam Wilson! When I get the opportunity to dress up a celebrity, you know, even if dili celebrity akong na-dress up here, but then when I see the dress on the person, and it's really, really nice, I feel it in my guts. Kanina nagyod siya sa lapalapas kung tiil nga mo, ano yun ko nga, nindot ne. Nagyod ka na. That's the word! Sense of fulfillment. This started with my first bride. One of my bestest friends na couple na po. They were we're very close. She was the first one who I designed the dress for, nakatong circles, because when I was making her gown, I was thinking I want it to have texture, but I didn't want texture to come from just the fabric draping ng anak ba. I wanted it to look like it was not just a dress. I remember I want people to appreciate the front as well as the back, because the whole hour and a half, everyone will be looking at your back. So, I wanted it to be like, you know, I didn't want it to be just the zipper or beadwork. Kaya dili mo ko tigamit yun of beads. I only use Swarovski crystals. So, moto, I don't know what I saw. It just dawned upon me. It just came, and that's what I went with. And then, when I saw the pictures, I think it looked really nice. So, like, my clients message me through Facebook. It's I don't give out my number. I don't give out my number to, like, everyone. So, like, Kanisha, the Yongko, pretty girl. She was recommended by my friend, Justin Bieber. Justin Goria, ay. Yan, i-message siya na ako. She wants to have a little black dress made. And she's from Zamboanga, I think. Like, some of them we have never met. They just, you know, they read about me somewhere, or like a friend recommends them to me. And then sa akong photos, si Quates, di na ko i-display. I'm having my website done now. Kay murag lisod, mas ganahan ko wider ang akong audience niya. Sa Facebook kay di mo ko muad masikin sa muad mo magbabo. Lisod mo ginhawa sa Milby. Dawan.
Mukhang tayo, di ko ruging kamera.
So mo ni ang some of the celebrities I dressed up, the Angel, si Bianca Manalo. Pero ay pretty kini siya. Thank you, Pati Yap. And then si Angel Aquino. Sa Facebook yun, kay diha man gud nako ma-display tanan kay wa pa ko'y website. So this dress, it's actually not made of the typical, you know, fabric used by kanang mga used for an evening dress. This is actually for kanang pang sports ni siya nga fabric, like for the jacket. So yeah. Kani siya dire. Mo ni ang ex-girlfriend si Christina. Ha? Dimgid ko na siya muhawa. Mapilingin ko na siya. Nagsanina bentaw siyang tarong kay na bisita. Ipakita mo sapatos, le. Mo na mo sapatos pagkasal, ha? Ako sila kasal nagbalik, nagpailis ng tikaw tarong, mag-ilis na ng pangkuan, simbahan. Kani, this was worn by the very, very beautiful Queen B. Orhelio for funwear. Ako may assign for her. Muni yung funwear. I didn't win though. Si Peewee ni win sa Best in Funwear. Uye ko R. Wapa kayo siya as in. Muni siya, I'm super proud of this dress because this is quite difficult to make with all the details. Bakit ko lang? Assistant! Dili, sa likod! Ano niya siya? Oh! Bumbo man. So, muna siya. Muna siya ang back details niya. I don't use the usual, you know, the usual fabrics sa mga dresses like okay, dili ko ganahan, you know. I don't want it to be super glossy fabric. Ali, dili lang. Ato introduce mo isda. Huyog dili. Sige, ha?
Here you go.
Okay. Introduce na mo sa pet sa kung bana nga kada adlaw tulo ka oras sila magstorya kay iya may check attendance. Muna siya, mga isda.
Jan.
Naligingan! Gagabi! Mapanigan! Si Johnson! Asan to?
Jun.
Ali, dili kay Kobe.
JJ.
JJ?
Oh, nga J mo naglatanan.
Si Juni. Chuan? Ilaw man eh. Muna ako mga... si Manang muna ako Manang. Ay, hi! Namigos na Jason! Muna ako mga gwapa kayong mga hardworking.
Kailan na siya na ako.
Sinang Joyce. Uli namatay. Sige guys, si Manang. Hi, kayo makita lang si TV. Tapos may ganilya. So, ilaw nilang Junjun. Chanjan. Muna ang kukuan. these are some of my ready-to-wear. And some of the dresses that you see on the celebrities in my Facebook account, because I have no website yet, they're here. Like this one was worn by Empress Shop. And so I also have my mother and daughter dresses for the mommies out there. And dati ko yung mother and son, kaya nag-complain ako mami ano ko nung mother and daughter racket na ko nung anak laki. So these are like evening dresses for the mom and the daughter if they want to dress alike. So cute. And very reasonably priced. And like Anisa, for casual, casual night out at the bar with the kids. Yeah, kuan. Kani, sinusutan. Wala. Kani. This one was worn by Lovey Poe. I have been criticized just recently about, the circles, because some of them think it's, I don't know, but, that's me. I don't stop just because someone doesn't approve. And because my clients keep appreciating it. Actually, I didn't make it just to have a signature look. I just thought it was beautiful, so I kept making it with most of the dresses that I make. So this is our working area. Sila Manang, silang Josie, and them. Muna ang Circle Factory. So, among silingan, madunggan sa namon si Sudani, like, gabi. Inano mo sila dahil sa tapat. So, kuan, kanya siya, na-rattle pa may kay, nahapit na mong deadline for the wedding. Umani ang sa bridesmaid. Like, my husband also makes mga sports apparels. Like, we custom make mga jersey, shirts for marathons. And he prints sad on kanang t-shirt printing bag business, and we make bags. Nang paliw ko ng bag ng Becky at least ay pakita. We also make bitang more recyclable bags like these, and then we label them. These are for my kuan man. Nice one na very merry diha ng kani. Instead of the kuan, we are eco-friendly from there. So we make like these, and then we can custom make the design and color. Gusto ba ron kag rainbow, kang tanang color nga naa sa nips. Pwede ra. Okay? Maglaki. Okay kayo. So, muna siya. This is my working area. And right beside it is the fitting room, which is just normal looking. And then this area is kanang double purpose. Kay we eat here, so makaibaw mo buwad among sudan, fitting ninyo igapon. Yeah, kuan. This is also where I meet with the bride and the mothers. Kay kung daghan kayo, magbuot man akong beauty diri sa akong working area. So, diri na lang. And then, Mone, this is where some of the dresses are being displayed for now. But when we move to the new shop by the end of the month, I hope I'll have a better display area. This is also where we live. So yeah, it's like a sala work chauffeur area. This is one of our prenup photos by the great Jim Obalde. This was in my husband's hometown, in Carlos City, Limp Bizkit Committee. This dress was actually my mom's, because we were making the gowns for the entourage. I made the gowns from the sponsors down to the entourage, the parents, and the immediate family. So I ended up borrowing my mom's skirt and the fabric used for one of the entourage for the shoot. Daghan kay diamonds ang kabaw dili. Daghan kay time bomb. So nagabuang yun yung shoots kay it's in the middle of the jungle. Welcome to the jungle, good mong team. So, nangita siya gid nilang, no? Dagan kay, oh my gosh, like wondering, asa, good me ato yun. Susuy kayo. No matter how scared you are of what might happen, if you think yun, if you feel it in your gut nga what you're doing is the right thing, and you really think it's, they might not approve, mga people who are judging you, but if you know na it's really, like, you know, it's really beautiful na kanang wala gyud kay, and you're really happy about it, no matter what they say, you just go for it.